Hello guys. Can you hear me? Is it still on? Hi, here again for another episode of Is It Live? Hi Spence. Hi Macron. Double sounded. Well, let me figure out. I don't know why, but I'ma check now, you know. Hello everyone. Hi. I don't have my headset today, so that's why I probably can't hear that double sounded. Let me check. Yeah, I muted my mic. I'm trying to like. Bro, I hate doing settings on this like shit all the time. It stresses me out. But Go eligible for lab airdrop. Thanks for the alpha. Yeah, I'm happy. Like, I think we're all eligible on this stream for that airdrop. We're gonna cook tomorrow, man. So we'll cook an unholy cook tomorrow, you know. China. I'm so sorry. It's been so long since I streamed. I was like, I got distracted trenching on BNB. Like I was trenching on BNB, but then and it was taking like a lot of my time. And I know I should have probably been streaming that, but then I was losing, so I was getting pissed all the time. So if I was streaming, you guys have just been seeing me like throwing temper tantrums and shit because of my losing trades. But yeah, like as you can see, like I don't even have a monitor anymore. I kind of like I lost my other big screen monitor because yeah. I'll have a small monitor for now, you know. Small monitor for now. CZ is distributing 44 mil. Yeah, man, CZ is a goat, you know. It really is distributing a lot of money to us. I lost the monitor. That's how I want to see it. It's like if I see it any other way, I'll get sad and shit. So I'm just like, yeah, like, it's one of them ones. This is not even connected. Like, I don't know why I'm stressing myself out. Oh yeah, we have a bunch of stuff to talk about today, you know. Every day we try and talk about like cool shit that can be like useful to us and shit. So we'll have more cool things to talk about today. Oh shit.
We'll do 2 on this on AHR, we'll do that one.
Yeah, settings. I'm trying to go on like my stream manager so I can actually start this on stream. Okay, yeah, actually, yeah. I'm good now. We're good now. We're active now. I'm a clipper who texted you on Twitter. Okay, yeah, man. I'll check my DMs after the stream. Seems like you missed Blockfest. Like, I missed my flight. Like, I felt so sad after missing my flight. Like, he just texted me. He's like, yo, when's your flight? Like, have you got your flight? And I'm like, yeah. I got my flight like a couple weeks ago. But on the day of the flight, I think something was happening on chain. Like, I slept really late because like I was staying awake for something happening on chain. And I slept really late. I woke up really late. That was the crash aftermath. Are you recovering now? I mean, yeah, like I'm chilling, you know. Like chilling. Obviously, the crash was like unexpected. I'll say like it was like kind of expected, but also kind of unexpected in the sense that it was expected and unexpected. Like, you know, like obviously a crash happened. Like I actually totally forgot that this kind of flushes happen. Like normally when we're in like peak bull scenarios, like after Bitcoin does like some 30%, like some consecutive daily green card does like there's always that unexpected crash that happens like every freaking time. Like every time there's something really like explosive going on price wise. There's always these unexpected crashes that come that are very deep. And I'll say like I forgot that those kind of things happen. Oh wow, thanks Big Sonny for the sub. Wow, for the sub. Like yeah, like I forgot that these unexpected crashes happen. I feel like it's because it's been so long that we pumped so aggressively in such a short period of time. I don't even remember that usually when you pump aggressively, there's shit like that, there's shit that goes south. There's stuff that like don't go well. There's like flushes that happen. Like back then, like when markets are usually like pumping hard, it's like if you miss the pump, just wait for the flush and then gig along everything from the flush. Like I made so much money doing that. Like the last time the markets were raging, like just stay out of your trades. Definitely there's always this kind of flushes that happen. Flush comes, wipes out like 10-20% from Bitcoin. It happens like every couple of days or couple of weeks. And then once the positions are wide, you just put all your capital into long the dip, and you like always make like in the bull market you make so much money doing that. But yeah, I forgot. I was very distracted by all the BNB meme coins running, and yeah, it just came and stuff. But now we're chilling though. Like yeah, obviously like you always have to like manage your risks properly, and you always have to manage your risk, and you always have to like never really be all in, like whether it's perps or whatever it is you're doing and stuff. So like I don't think there's really ever any kind of crash that would like obviously like I was tweeting like, oh no, I've lost a lot of money and this and that. But then I don't think there's any kind of crash that would happen in crypto where I would lose like 100% of what I have in crypto, because like if I'm saying like I lost money, then I probably lost like the money that was in one exchange prep account or two exchange prep accounts, you know. Or if I lost money on chain, like I probably just lost all the money in my trading wallet, and I have like 5 trading wallets. I trade on Photon, trade on GMG, and I trade like, so I have like, it's like, oh, I probably just like, or maybe like I was on some kind of run, like I made like a lot of profits from a couple of meme coins, and then I just lost everything back to zero. And it's just that, so it's really just profits that I've made over the weeks that I lost a portion of, kind of thing. Yeah, I feel very sad that I was at Block First, man. You know, I really tried to be there. Yeah, like in a bull market, it's like you make the easiest money just long in the flushes, because this kind of flushes happen very frequently in the bull market. So whenever they happen, you just fucking max leverage. Don't do that, by the way. Like, but that's just what I did like a lot that worked. Like you just max leverage everything when you get these flushes and you make so much money. Like literally everyone that max leveraged on this last flush, they made a lot of money. I actually didn't long anything during the dip because I was like, I kind of like didn't have a monitor to work. So, and by morning when I got another one, it was already like, but yeah, man. But I got into some positions today again. I got into some positions again today, and then we'll have a lot of stuff to really like talk about, you know. Okay, so I reduced the background sound now. Is it better? My bad, my bad. GM, Timmy, Jasmine. So yeah, there's a couple of stuff that I really wanted to talk about. Let me see if I can put them on my screen. I don't know. So I can't really put them on my screen, but I can't really put them on my screen, but I'll go over them one by one. So like first of all, like I want to talk about lab. So we've really been like talking about labs on this channel since since God knows, like since a couple months, like, and then finally like they're finally like releasing on mainnet. Like they're finally launching their token and they're launching on the BSC network. Hmm. What do I think about Monad? I saw your card. Are we aping into Monad meme coin? Like, I have reason to believe that there will be at least one Monad meme coin that is gonna do very well on launch. So, because when we look at like XPL launch, XPL didn't have as much hype as Monad, and then XPL launched and they had a meme coin called Trillions that went to 60 million. So like a really, really good play tomorrow, or what I think would be a good play tomorrow. One of the things that I think would be a good play for Monad's launch tomorrow is when Monad launches, or my plan is like when Monad launches, I claim whatever airdrop I get, and then I give it like a couple of hours to see which meme coin is going to be like the first runner, or like there's always like that major runner. Like for BNB it was the 4 meme. For Solana it was Weave. Like I'll just wait for the XPL chain, which is the most recent one. It was Trillions meme coin. So and if we look at like Trillions, I'll actually like pull that up on my screen. So let's see, Trillions. Okay. The coin is even still kind of doing well right now, I'm just gonna like share my screen in a bit. God, please, let me share the wrong screen. Okay, yeah, but sure. For some reason, I felt like I was gonna share wrong screen. Okay, done. Oh, this is gonna take me some. For whatever reason, I can't even edit my camera position. Or am I just the one that's backdated enough to not know how to? Hi Specky, welcome to stream. Bro, I'm trying to edit my camera and it's not actually like. So, yeah. Okay, that worked. So as I was saying, like if we look at this Trillions meme coin, it launched when the XPL blockchain launched. Whatever, like the name of the swap, like so, like tomorrow the place to like figure out what the DYOR swap of XPL is, of Monad is, like whatever DEX platform that they use for swapping between tokens. I guess like it also pays to like know how to bridge to Monad. Like if I weren't getting the airdrop, like what I would do, I would play it similarly to how XPL launched, because crypto tends to have a way of like repeating how things perform. Like when this launched, I'm gonna switch this to market cap now. So when XPL launched, like day 1, day 2, day 3, so like the first 3 days, so like by the first day, you should already kind of know like what the main runner is. And if you notice, like at the end of the first day, the main runner of the chain was at 3.5 million. So it gives you like an idea of, okay, if you have like a meme coin that runs and it's like the main runner of Monad tomorrow and it's like at 3 million, 4 million, hell, maybe even like under 10 million, you know, like there's like a potential like upside going to like 40, 50 million, because 3 days after like XPL launch, the main runner of the chain went to 50 million, and people cooked on that. I cooked on that as well because I saw it on Twitter like 2 mil, and I bought like, but I didn't buy a lot, and I didn't sell at the top. So, well, I bought at 2 mil and I sold at maybe 10, 15 mil. And like, yeah, that was like a nice cool. I didn't get any of the plasma airdrops or whatnot, but I made like a good amount of money off the main meme coin that launched on the chain, you know. So that's like going to be like a similar strategy that will play out on Monad. Whoever is the main runner on chain when it launches is probably going to run to like some 50. I feel like Monad is even more hyped than XPL, so maybe it even runs to like 100 mil. Like I would expect like a major runner. So the plan is to just see what the major runner is and rotate like money into the major runner, you know. I don't think Monad is bringing back NFT season. Like, there's nothing that's bringing back NFT season. Like, everybody's gonna keep aping meme coins. Like, when last did anyone flip like $100 to 1 million in when last did anyone flip $100 to 1 million with NFTs? I don't think anyone is gonna like really give up. I don't think anyone will really like care that much about Monad NFTs. Like, until NFTs start making this like crazy wealth effect again, I don't think it's gonna, you know, come back. Yeah, if you get the Monad ticker for whatever runs tomorrow early, like, but again, early is relative. So early is relative. Like, some people might think like we saw like the meme coin for XPL went to 4 mil. So if I see a Monad major runner as 4 mil tomorrow, I'm gonna know, okay, 4 mil is not toppy. 4 mil is like still early because there's an upside of like 60 to 100 mil, you know. What's the fastest way you would employ to see the meme together as cooking on the chain? I'm just going to pay attention to Twitter to see what meme coin like. So, you know, like something cool to do is like you can literally just like have this, you can kind of like follow all this, I'm going to share my screen again. You can kind of follow all these Monad accounts, you know, and then you would see like what people are really like talking like. One way to do it is like, say I don't even follow Monad, I'm gonna follow them, you know, just to like I really want to be paying attention to what the Monad account interacts with tomorrow and what's like all these like Monad related people. Like something I could do is like I could even just add all of them to like a list, and how do I do this? Add to list. Create a new list. Like something like this, I'm just gonna put all of them in a list so that I can see what they are all, you know, gonna be talking about. So like if I see like a meme coin or I just want to really add all of them, you know, and a bit more. Are you in my list? So yeah, like I said, I'm going to keep a track on like all these accounts, see what coins any of them are going to be like talking about by tomorrow. I don't necessarily want to follow all of them. I just want to add them to lists instead. Because I'd rather that, you know, than having a lot more follows that I only need for a period of time. So yeah, man, I'll just add these guys to a list and see what coins any of them are interacting with by tomorrow. I'm sure like if there's any coin that's gonna send, there's gonna be like coins that's like Monad related people are engaging with. So you really just wanna pay attention to what they're engaging with. If you want, you can also follow this list that I'm making because I've taken the time to do it like right now. So you don't have to so you don't have to do it yourself. And apart from like these people, we'll also see like what's general influencers, KOLs, like big voices. Like the bigger the account that's talking about the coin and the more closely related they are to Monad, the better it's gonna be. So that's how you know like what coins are gonna. I think I'll finish this up later because seems like there's a lot of them. Sure. Oh my gosh. I'm not doing all of this on stream, but yeah. Just like follow a couple of them though. And see. There's a designer at Monad. This guy's most likely to want to be involved in some kind of launch, you know. So just add him. You just add interesting people that you think can talk about something just so you know what's happening in the ecosystem. And obviously like apart from that, you can also I don't know if Dex Screener is gonna like have Monad up immediately, but you can probably like also just check Dex Screener. Yeah, Intern is also good. I like Intern. So you can probably just check Dex Screener, see what is having like the most volume and stuff. My Monad list is public, so like if you go on my account and check on lists, then yeah. You said the list that I just created. Yeah, if Dex adds something for tracking Monad, then that'll be super cool. You just easily see what the major runner is. Like it's gonna be obvious, and if I see what the major runner is, I'm gonna tweet about it anyways, or post it to my Telegram, like because I always do that. So, well, you know, I'm not always about just telling people coins to buy. I rather like tell people how to also form their own pieces or how to find their own coins that they should buy themselves, you know. Did I notice I got a Monad card in the last minute or have I known for a while? So I've known since like August-ish. One of my friends messaged me that there's something called Monad cards and I just need to connect my X account to claim it. But for me telling him, I have to nominate him and people he tells me to nominate. Like, so I didn't even know like the nomination thing really meant like everyone. Like, I didn't even know it was like it was going to be an airdrop. He just said like I should connect my X account and nominate him afterwards. And I did that and I nominated him and he said thank you. And I nominated like two other accounts. Like I didn't know the nominations were like that important. You know, if I knew it was like a 100k airdrop and by nominating people to get 100k, I'd have probably like put more thought process into that. But I actually didn't. I just did it innocently, not thinking that anything was gonna like come out of that. So I'm really surprised that that was enough like to get an exposure to Monad. Like that's like super nice. Oh, thank you, Yatso Murder. Is it Murder or Media? I don't say nonsense. So thank you, Yat, for like the subscription. Yeah, man, it means a lot. You know what I'm saying? Oh wow, thank you, Henry. Wow, why are people subscribing today? I'm surprised. That's Boy Cope. Oh shit. Oh yeah, man. Thank you for the subscriptions. Mm, but yeah, Monad's gonna cook tomorrow. Fat airdrop for everyone, and there'll probably be like 1 or 2 meme coin runners on the chain. Maybe more, hopefully, but I like to just go like the 2K scenarios. So I think like we'll have like a solid runner on Monad tomorrow. Gonna be sick as fuck. And talking about Lab is also launching on BSC. So the funny thing about Lab is like I was looking at like this Lab allocation really, and it's actually so pumpy. Like I'm surprised it's as bullish as I think it is. Like I didn't think it would be like that bullish and shit. Like wow. But it works though, that works. I can't complain. I've got to find like that thing that I was reading, because I was reading some shit that it said like it's only launching at like 30%. You know what? Let me actually even check my airdrop tomorrow. I guess I'm gonna do a stream tomorrow, claiming my Monad airdrop and claiming my Lab airdrop. So we'll see and stuff. And I should probably cut this part out so I don't get hacked one day before airdrop day. That would be so funny. Wow, Boy Cope is on the gifting spree. Oh my gosh, man. Thank you, man. Is it advisable to short Monad? I can't advise anybody to short anything. Like, me myself, I don't even like shorts to start with. So it's very hard to advise people to short things, because like this market, like we're in the bull market. Why do you want to short anything in the bull market? Like when everything is going down, you can short stuff. Like maybe like, I wouldn't short Monad, Sha. I don't think it's very smart, but it could pay off obviously because I'm not that smart, So I guess we never know, really. I want to try and log into this Lab stuff so that I can do some stuff. I wish there was a way to like see what I don't know how to check the Lab airdrop though. Okay, actually, yeah, I've seen how to check the airdrop. My bad. But it doesn't show you like how much airdrop you have or stuff like that. So I don't know. I guess we're gonna see it tomorrow. I don't know. How do I engage with labs? I've been joining your stream. Like you just need to sign up on my ref really and trade on Lab so that you like unlock your airdrop, because everyone that traded on pretty much any other anyone that traded on pretty much any other trading terminal, they got the Lab airdrop. They just need to trade on Lab to like unlock the full airdrop, Yeah, Lab is a TG bot. I think Penpan is gonna pin our link, so we can so you can start trading on Lab. But well, thank you for all the subs, Boy Cope. That's so cool, That's so cool. I should have like 105 subs. Isn't that crazy? you know. I wonder if I can give myself subs as well. Can I gift myself subs? Seems really cool to gift yourself subs. Let's figure out how to gift myself subs. Subscribe. How does one subscribe? I need to figure this shit out, man. I keep seeing people gift me subs, so I need to know like what gifting a sub kind of means. No. So if I did that, what would happen if I did that? Thoughts on BNB airdrop? Thoughts on BNB airdrop? I think it's cool. Like, it's not going to be a lot. It's just going to be like some probably $200, $300 kind of thing to like people. I don't think it's like gonna be really like a lot of anything. Sorry, I'm just playing with some Twitch settings. Don't mind. Yeah, there we go. So I learned how to gift myself a sub. Wow, that shit is expensive. What the hell? Nice. Nice. That's nice as fuck. Yeah, sorry, we can continue the stream now. I was just playing with the subs thing. Let me see. Wow, thank you, Anonymous Gifter, for a sub. Woo! How much subs cost too? That's crazy. I actually appreciate your support. Okay, what were we saying? We talked about Monad, we talked about Lab. Like, the play with Lab is to just... So, apparently, Lab has like low float on launch, you know. Lab has a very low float, so there's like only like 30% of the supply is unlocked on launch or something like that. And it's launching at, I don't know if I'm supposed to say what it's launching at, but I think it's public knowledge, but it's launching at 100 million FTV. So I feel like 100 million FTV for like a trading bot that is generating like 3.5 million in 3 months, which is like 20 million in a year, is actually pretty cheap. It's actually pretty cheap, man. So I think like Lab is a buy on launch, and I'm gonna obviously buy it like through the I want to buy it through the thing, through Binance Alpha, and I'll do some back and forth trading with it on the bot, so I can just get some volume and unlock my full airdrop. So yeah, that's gonna be like really interesting and really fun for tomorrow. So yeah, it launches at 0.1, and I think like it's easy to say Lab to 1. That's not very far away for a trading bot. Launching at a low FTV, like Lab to 1 is reasonable. Thank you for SNX and TWT. Yeah, that's good, man. I'm so happy like people really cooked on SNX and TWT. That was like super cool, because I have like really I have really, really like strong conviction in those two coins. Like, and the conviction was very quickly validated. But actually, guys, give me like one minute. Hello, hello, hello. We're back, we're back, we're back. Hi. Is it too late to catch SNX and TWT? No, I think like they still have like a lot more. Like I didn't like talk about them because they had like a 2x upside, you know? Like when I talked about them, I was like these coins have like 5-10x upside at least. Like even if they don't like live out to their 5 to 10x upside, like there's still a lot of upside in them. There's lots more than 2x. So I don't think it's late. Like I'll just say like if you get any like good dips, like it's still good to get in my opinion. Like but like apart from those two, there's one more interesting stuff. Like today, I actually want to talk about the prediction market. Like if you guys have noticed, there's been a lot of talk about prediction markets. Like CZ is bullish on prediction markets. The Solana founders are bullish on prediction markets. Like everyone is quite literally everyone is bullish on prediction markets, and I feel like it's going to be like one of the big trades for this like last quarter of the year, you know. So prediction markets like if you have like Polymarket is launching their token, Kalashi is also launching their token. Like prediction market is like super big, you know. And wow, Penpal gifted us a sub. That's so cool, man. That's so cool. Thank you, Penpal. Like Limitless, yeah, I didn't even know. I don't. So Limitless is a prediction market. Like all those things are launching their tokens, which is cool as fuck. But then I have some, but like there's already a prediction market on Solana that has a token and is oh, Monad also has a prediction market. So that's not like it's gonna be a play. Like you guys are already getting like the memo. Like prediction markets are really high, and there's a prediction market on Solana right now that is sitting at 3 point something million, and it's cool as fuck. And I'm gonna be showcasing it here because I think there's a lot of upside in that market, in that prediction market. And the name of the project is PNP, so it's on pnp.exchange, and we're just gonna look around now and play around with it, you know. So let's see. So coming to pnp.exchange, and I'm also gonna like pull up the coin on Dex. Oh, actually, I thought it was like a bit higher, but that's still kind of high, so that's cool. So this is a chart. Wow, it's getting a lot of buys, you know. Oh, literally, it hasn't had any sales in like the last 1 hour, 29 minutes. Just buys. Slow, steady cook kind of thing. So this is a chart for PNP Exchange. It's a prediction market on Solana. Allows you to create markets or trade markets, like just like your typical, like just like your regular like prediction market, and it has a lot of like cool features as well. Like I tweeted about this last week when it was around 1 point something, I think 1.5, 1.6 million. So technically like I'm up 2x, and I actually sized into this, so that's really cool. I'm up a lot of money, maybe like some 20k or something. So that's super cool. Like, and the website, I'm gonna just showcase it now. It's like bet on the future, create your own market, predict the outcome of any future event, and they have like a lot of markets on it. You know, like it's getting some volume. They plan to use like the revenue to buy back the token. I feel like that's the future. That's going to be the future of all tokens. like tokens that use revenues, parts of their revenues to buy back the tokens. So as some sort of value accrual to the holders are the tokens that are going to perform the best in this Q4, in my opinion. Like literally like Q4 and going forward, like it's only tokens that use like a good percentage of their revenues to buy back the tokens that are going to perform well. You can see like Lab is doing the same thing. A portion of revenue is going to go to buying back the Lab token. PNP is going to be doing the same thing. A portion of revenue is going to be going to buying the token. And I think even the top like tokens do this. That's Hype, Hyperliquid. By Hype, I mean Hyperliquid. They use like a lot of their revenue to buy back the token. Asta did the same thing. Asta bought back 200 million of their token just before the crash. So everyone is like taking this, like most companies on like the stock market, like Apple, Google, all those kind of companies, like they use like portion of their profits to buy back their stocks. So I'm happy like crypto projects are starting to finally follow this they're starting to follow this like pathway of doing the same thing, using their like profits, revenues to buy back into charts, because a happy holder base and price going up is always the best marketing and the best incentive for any sort of projects that goes on in crypto. So yeah, as you can see, like they have a bunch of markets here. Will Polymarket launch a token in 2025? I actually think Polymarket will launch a token in 2025. So like the way it works is like if you feel like you have like predictions, like you have like things that you can say you think will happen or you think would not happen, and you can just bet on them happening or not, and you know it's free money. Like, and I think the I'm just looking at some of the markets on Polymarket. I got carried away for a second. That's so cool. Nah, Base is not launching a token. Like, so if you would buy a lot of this, like you would make like some 30% profit. Like almost like 50, like you make like 40% profit of buying this, something like that. Will PNP reach over 20 million before the end of August? August has already ended, so I guess that doesn't count. I don't know NFL, so I wouldn't know for this. But like, yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna like log in as well. I don't. And you can see it's still very early. They literally just have like 5k volume so far, 5k volume on 360 markets. So you can just tell like there's so much upside in this. Like once they start like proper rolling out, having volume, more people are using them to bet on predictions, and those kind of things, like they happen so fast. Like you could go from having like 5, 10 users today to just having like 1,000 users like by next week. Like it just takes like one. It just kind of takes like the right person noticing the platform, sharing it around, and before you know it, like everyone is like betting on there. And this is something that's already live on Solana, like with the token that is sitting at freaking 10 million. It's not even 10 million. Like the token is just not like 3 million market cap. Like I actually think this sends super hard like in the coming weeks, once more people are trading on it, once more people are like supposed to. If Poly market can't open in Nigeria, then there's other prediction markets that are open, that will open, or that are open in Nigeria, you know. I think they're going to get like it. Like I can't really say much, but then they're going to get supported by Solana actually, like in the coming weeks, because I think you mentioned some like I won't really say much, but it's going to get pushed though. This this PNP prediction market, you know. So it's like yeah, like I just know like it's gonna get pushed. So it's like just free alpha for anyone that's getting in. I still think Asta to 3, yeah, Asta to 5, you know. But I have like the thing with like in as much as I feel Asta is gonna pump a lot, Asta to 3, Asta to 5, I just have like it's good upside bets, but then Asta to 3 is like what 50% from here, at best 100% from here. Like I have better upside bets to take than Asta to 3. So like I like Asta to 3, but I like my other bets as well. Like Zora now, Zora is something that's like really cool. Zora is the main token on Base, so like if Base ecosystem experiences a boom, if like something similar to what has happened to if something similar like what has happened to BNB happens to Base, Zora is gonna like explode, like probably like goes 5-10x from here. So I've been in Zora since 0.05. I talked about it my last stream, my last 2 streams, my last 3 streams. Like I like Zora. Like Zora is, and it's already up 2x. I don't know why people are not talking about that one much. I think maybe you guys didn't buy Zora, but Zora, like if you want to ever bet on a bait season, just buy on Zora. And we all know like a bait season is 1,000,000,000% gonna happen. Did I participate? I didn't participate in Flying Tulip. I don't know if it's the one that already like Base doesn't have a proper token launch, but like you don't need a token launch, but like you just need to buy Zora and experience all the upside in Base. Like once Base season starts, Zora is gonna be like that your 10x bet. It's gonna be like 10x in 1 week kind of thing, kind of move. So I'm really like looking forward to Zora pulling some crazy numbers for us. And what else are you guys bullish on, man? What else are you guys bullish on? I want to hear like what else you're bullish on. Like I'm sure I'm bullish on. I don't want to hear like what everyone's also bullish on, you know. I'm also bullish on this W token. W is a bridge in crypto. I talked about it as well, and I've always said like bridge are essential parts of our day-to-day crypto life. So bridges are one of our, like you can't, like how do you think everyone is moving from BNB to SOL to Base to this, like this is all powered by bridges, and Wormhole is like the top 3 bridges in crypto. So I bought like a lot of W tokens. So Wormhole is like currently at 0.08. I'm gonna actually like share my screen. You know. So Wormhole is sitting at like 0.08. Like this is like free. I'd call this like free money entry. Like Wormhole needs to like go to some $0.5. Like I think Wormhole has a lot of upside in it. They recently announced as well, like if you check like the Wormhole Twitter, which I'm gonna open in a bit, they announced that they're gonna be like using their Wormhole announced that they're going to be using. So if you look at this announcement, they announced this in September 17th. So that's like it's not even a month old, but like yeah, about a month ago, they announced Wormhole is introducing the next major chapter for the W token. So they totally revamped their tokenomics, and among the revamp, their Wormhole contributors are excited to announce their commitment to the longevity of Wormhole, blah 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 blah, and they are introducing the Wormhole Reserve, which is coming soon, and upon launch, Wormhole Reserve is going to be a strategic reserve of W, which is their token, where on-chain and off-chain protocol value will accumulate to support the growth of the Wormhole ecosystem. So Wormhole will channel protocol revenues and values generated across Wormhole portal, and ecosystem applications into W, with proceeds contributing to the Wormhole Reserve. So basically they're saying that they're going to be using a lot of their revenue to buy the W token and add it to something called the Wormhole Reserve. Like, I don't know how this is not bullish. This is the same thing like what every major token is doing. Hype is doing it. Asta is doing it. Like, this is what I was saying. Like, tokens that switch to this model and start implementing this model are the tokens that are gonna just freaking outperform for the rest of this cycle. Like, Wormhole has been a shit token since launch, and then they made this announcement a month ago, and now I believe like Wormhole is a very, very, very good token, because if you're not like somehow having some sort of value accrual to your holders via if you're not having some sort of value accrual to your holders via like buybacks and having like your revenue go into a token, like, then what exactly are you really doing? Like, why should anyone really hold your project token? Like, there's just no value in trying to hold a project token that's not having like some value across it. So like, this is really good to see, and they're also offering like a 4% base yield on W. So the yield is going to come from like all those the yield is going to come from existing supply, and there's no inflation being used. So it's probably from like the W that they're going to buy back and put in the reserve that they use as yield. So it's like a nice little cycle there going on. And yeah, man, like that enough makes it bullish. Like, just me seeing that announcement of them like saying that they're gonna buy back with revenue, then that's like good enough for me. So, and I know like they're one of the top bridges in crypto, so one way or another they make a lot of money in revenue, so that's gonna be a lot of money going to buybacks and supporting this chart. And if you look at the chart is like, I can't even find the chart. The chart is somewhere, sure. Okay, I found the chart now. So like, if you can see, like, this chart is literally like 0.089. Like, let me zoom out a bit so you this chart is like 0.089, and Wormhole is oh shit. Aye. Okay, yeah, I got it now. So if, I want to actually show like the all-time high and the all-time low of Wormhole. So you can see like what's up, you can see what's going on. So if you look here, like Wormhole launched in in April 2024. Wow, that was last year. Wait, was that this year? I think we're in 2025, right? Yeah, we should be in 2025. So Wormhole launched last year in April, right? Yeah, we're in 2025 now. Yeah, I think we're in 2025. Wormhole launched last year, April 2024, and they launched at like 1.7 at $1.8, and they're down like freaking 99%. That has been like from $1.8 to like 0.08. Oh my god, that's so down bad. Like fuck, you can't go lower than this. That's the point. And then when this last market's flash crash happened, it went to 0.03, which is pretty much like zero. Like that's as zero down. Like it's not. It can't. Like I really don't see how Wormhole goes down like this as long as they remain a revenue generating crypto bridge, and they are a revenue generating crypto bridge, because I remember them getting hacked for like 400 million a couple years ago, and they recovered from that like it was nothing. So like bro, this child is gonna rip. Like I can't even lie, this child is gonna rip, you know. So yeah, wormhole is like wormhole wormhole is like Wormhole is gonna rip crazy. I'm bullish on Wormhole. I wasn't bullish on it before, but then look at the upside from 0.08 to like 1.7. That's like a good 25-30x to all-time highs, and the project is gonna be buying back their tokens with their revenue. Oof. Even if it does not even get to all-time high, if it gets to like 0.5, if it gets to 1, that's like still a very nice 5x to 10x with size that is available on leverage and perps. So it's like fuck, gonna cook so hard, man. Well, that's just my opinion anyways. Like I've talked about Lab is a buy on launch. I've talked about Monad is a buy, and the first meme coin on Monad, wherever it is gonna be a very nice buy as well. I talked about W is a good buy. SNX and TWT are still like really good buys, like SNX to 20, TWT to 10, and then to 50. So it's like, bro, we're about to have the most bullish like Q4 ever. Like I can just feel it. Like I just feel it inside of me. You know when you just feel something inside of you and you're just like, bro, there's no way this shit doesn't like cook how you see it's cooking. So it's like, yeah, man, I'm really excited for that as well, you know. Yeah, you should buy Zora with your kidney, man. You're gonna make 5 kidneys from Zora. Bro, Coinbase is gonna pump the shit out of Zora. BNB trend stream, yeah, man. Like we can do that, shit. Like I just wanted to touch on like the little things. But let me see if there should be like one more thing. I start to 3. Yeah, I start to 3. There's one more thing I wanted to talk about. Zora, Magic Swap. Oh yeah, this Magic Swap thing. So like, there's an airdrop that I tweeted about earlier today. Oh, that's another cook. Like, and they have this like game that is releasing with the airdrop, you know. So there's this game that's releasing with this airdrop on Solana, and the airdrop is like pretty easy to farm. It's just let me open it here. Magic Swap.pro. Can you imagine? I already memorized the name of the website. Cause, that's like, because I've been using it and I think like it's gonna be a good cook. Let's come here. Hello TK Junior. Hi, nice. Thanks for tuning in to stream. Yeah, so many airdrops. Come on, hello, let's rank. How you doing? So like MagicSwap.pro is a platform MagicSwap.pro is a new platform to make swaps, you know, so like you can it allows you to like swap between like Solana meme coins, so you can swap like some Sol to USDT, and quite literally, like I'm gonna show that in a minute now. Quite literally, like every swap like earns you some. Every swap earns you some points. Oh shit! No, I need to use my referral link. Fuck out here. I need my referral. Apply code. Yeah, so when you come on MagicSwap, you have to first type in this easy referral link because he's a nice guy and you're trying to like support him. So you see, like, I applied the easy code, it asked me to confirm it in my wallet. That's the first thing to do, very important thing to do. And then after that, you need like to get some money. Oh shit, I'm poor, man, I don't have money in this wallet. Let me send some money to the wallet and then no, not do that yet. Like, I'll just make some swaps on it so you can see like the points. Like, the cool thing about this is like, as you are making your swaps, you're seeing like your points go up. So at least that's some sort of, and you know, like the point is going to convert to a token in like 2-3 weeks, something like that. I don't really remember. I don't know. Okay, so after applying this easy code, we come back here to the swap, and all the fees that you're gonna spend on swapping, like, it's gonna be refunded at launch. So it's pretty much like just farm what you can, and then when you're done farming at launch, they'll give you back all the fees that you use, and you get a lot of points, and you get like a cool token airdrop. So this is not actually the main wallet that I'm farming on, but obviously it makes sense to like farm on as many wallets as you can, you know. And like, obviously I don't think you get a fatter airdrop by farming on multiple wallets, but I'm just gonna like showcase like the whole strategy is just coming here to do a swap, and then let me just do 0.5 actually. Coming here to do a swap, and then immediately you do a swap. As you can see, like my points is like 0 right now. But I'm gonna do like a couple of swaps to and fro, and I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna swap into some random ass shit, you know. Just keep it moving type shit, you know. And together, like, all that swap volume is like really gonna just like add up and become something. So and the more swaps you do on it, the more volume you get. You don't need a lot of money. Like, you can do like 10 swaps with $100 and that's $1,000 volume, or you can do one swap of $1,000 and that's $1,000 volume. So obviously, like, it's easier to farm with the more money you use, but you don't need a lot of money at the end of the day to farm. You can still just do it with whatever little you have. It's just going to be like a lot more time consuming type shit. Yeah, you just swap turn through between different tokens. Yeah, the referral is EEZZY. Yeah, and then obviously I want to reload this. Let me see if my points load up now. I don't know if it's loading me. Oh shit! Did you see that shit? We have like 199 points now after just doing a couple of swaps. So bro, get farming, man. This is literally free money. Like, You know, like I always tell you to like try and maximize all these free money opportunities, especially if you're new to crypto. Like do all these things that don't cost you anything to do, that you're gonna get free money out of. Like, bro, if you didn't do it with Lab, these are the opportunities to do it. Swap a lot on this thing. Use my referral code, please. Like, I don't know what using my referral code does. I don't think I make any money off that, but then please just use my referral code. It means a lot. I think I get a little bit more airdrop, but it doesn't affect anything that you do. So, and it helps the person that gave you the offer, so it just makes sense, you know. But yeah, man, like use this magic swap. They're gonna launch a token in like 2 or 3 weeks. I don't remember if it's 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but I know it's very close by. And anyone who has done a swap, they're gonna give you like some magic tokens, which is gonna be worth a lot of money. Like obviously, it might not be worth like 6 figs or 5 figs, but then it's gonna be worth like a bunch of money, and it's free money, so you might as well like just pick it up. Like they give you 2 weeks to do as many swaps as you can to get free money. So you might just like make the most out of it, you know. Hi Inobong, wow. This is like one of our day one OG watchers. Yeah man, we're back on the stream shit, you know. Magic Swap looking good, you know what I'm saying? Magic Swap looks hella good right now, like free money swap for swapping a lot of your money, and then you get back like all the fees that you spend and during the TG, so that's so cool. Like wow, we're actually gonna cook these next couple months. We're gonna cook so much, we're gonna cook so hard. They call us the Kukuruku, they call us the Kuku. But yeah man, you get the memo, like about to cook shit up. It'd be nice if you check out. It'd be nice if you check it out during your leisure time. Echo by Kobe, but I think I have like some. I know what Echo by Kobe is like. I know Echo like. I'm just a fool, man. You know, it's one of those things that I really saw early on, and I just never did something about it. You know, like I'm just a very very big fool. I've always known of Ecode or XYZ. I feel like I have I keep getting emails from them, but I never took time to check what it was about or what it was. And so because of that, like I just never did anything with it. Like I want to see if I have an account on it. Yes. I don't even know if I would have used this email or my other email. I don't want to know. And oh, so yeah, I actually do have like an Eco account, you know. So let me just show my screen. So apparently I do have like an Eco account. So apparently, am I even supposed to show? I don't know if I'm supposed to show all these like things out here. But yeah, this is what like my Eco account looks like. So apparently I'm able to just access like deals and stuff. Like apparently I can join groups. Yeah, I think I can join groups. Oh shit. It wants me to do some verification, send your bank, utility bills, government documents. That's crazy, you know. But it makes sense, like yeah. I'll probably do this, like I think this is why I never like went onto it. But then this is probably gonna be a good group to join, this base ecosystem. You probably get like some base cooks here. So they have like they've closed like 5 deals. Like if you can definitely like register for Eco, verify your identity, and then like look around for opportunities to like invest in early stage crypto stuff. Like it's gonna like people are cooking off that, so you might as well like look at like the recent deals. I feel like I recognize this logo. Like so they just share like good cooks apparently, and I kind of like recognize some logos in here. you know. Bro, so many things that you could. This looks like Wallet Connect, you know. So many things that you could just invest in as a seed investor. Like it gives you Echo. Basically, what Echo is like, Echo allows you to like be a seed investor in crypto projects. I think that's what it's like about. See, I know this one too. Oh baby games, lol. There's actually a lot of deal flow here. That's so crazy. I've never checked it out personally. It's just something I've always heard of. Well, Seed Plasma. So this was like Club Kobe. So like this was one of Kobe's clubs, and then so Plasma was one of the things, one of the deals, and there's like two more deals that he's also done. So yeah, everyone makes their groups and share like their seed investments. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for where people invested in Plasma. So apparently this was it here, and just all you needed to do was to just join like freaking Echo. Crazy. Yeah, Echo basically allows you to like be a VC, you know. Like you can invest in VC stuff the same way VCs invest while you're just like a regular guy. All you need to do was to just pass like some verification, ID verification, and you're good. But yeah, man, guys, what should we talk about next? What do you do to prevent next? There's nothing you can do to prevent next crashes. Just not be overexposed, you know. Just don't be overexposed to stuff and manage your risk like properly, you know. But guys, I think that's really what I wanted to cover, like the stream. It was like I covered like the main things I wanted to talk about in the stream. Hopefully it's been like very informative for you guys. Yeah, I guess like we could look at BNB trenches, see what's going on there. Let me first go and look before I change my screen and see. There should be fun stuff going on there. Hopefully. Go home or go other. Wow, the BNB trenches is cooking. Can you imagine? There's something that just launched 31 minutes ago that is on 4 mil. What the fuck? What the fuck? Do I have any filters to help? Yeah, I have some filters. I'm gonna share some things now. Um, so obviously, like I'm using Photon on BNB. My ref is gonna be pinned in the stream. BNB has really been like fun. It's been like I stopped like trenching on Solana because like it got boring. Became like a zero sum game. Like you're 100% gonna lose your money unless you're like in the 1 out of 100 weekly runners that actually runs. So I really like stop. I really like stop trenching on Sol, but like in the last couple of days that I've actually been like trenching on BNB, it's been really fun. It's been interesting. I've liked it. I'm just seeing like a bunch of coins that I've been in and out of, you know, like so crazy. I was in and out of this one. I was in and out of G. I was in and out of Dragon. I was in and out of fortune telling one. Where's the fortune telling one? This one. Yeah. I've been in and out of a lot of BNB coins. You know, like nothing really crazy has happened. Like if something crazy had happened, I've probably tweeted about it. But it's just been like chill, you know. But guys, I'd rather like do a trend stream like end of this week rather than now because like end of this week is like gonna be fun. There'll be more volume right now. Like but BNB trenches is fun, sha. That's what I can say. Outdoor stream. Promise is choco. Outdoor stream, BNB trend stream. Okay. we have a better chance of BNB trend stream than we have of outdoor stream, sha. But one day eventually we'll do that outdoor stream. Eventually, one day, just one day, you know. But yeah, like I guess like it's just what like being like online. Actually, if there's any cool thing that launches from online, like actually I'm watching like this whole thing all this time. So like in case I saw any cool thing come up, I'd have just instantly like I'd have just instantly moved and shit. This inaction is really it's just too high right now. Like I wouldn't actually I bought it like 30 minutes ago because it looks like it's had like a lot of time to like really cook and we're just very late. Like if there was at least 5 minutes to buy it, then I think I would have been able to get in. Like wow, look at these candles, isn't that crazy? Instead of us to buy this, we were busy talking a lot of things on the stream. Wow. How does one justify buying something that is up this much, bro? Like this is also like getting crimed so hard. I'm actually so salty now. I missed this. Wow, I was talking too much and I missed this. Isn't that crazy? Ouch! 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 Do I own any gold? No, I don't own any gold. I'm all in crypto. Guys, this chart is just going up. Like we're just watching this chart go up and up and up. There's no red candles. What the hell? They don't know how to put red candles, really. What are red candles? These people don't know anything about red candles. Oh, hey, but you know what I'm gonna do? Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Let me see something real quick. Hi guys, we're back, we're back, we're back, we're back. Sorry, I had to take a bit of a break to do shit, you know. But I feel like I've really said most of the things I wanted to say on the stream, and tomorrow we're gonna like have like more fun. Tomorrow we'll do a stream where I'll probably do like a couple streams over the day tomorrow. I don't know yet. Is either I do a couple streams over the day or I just do one in the evening where like I'm opening my monad, I'm checking my monad airdrop, and I'll be checking like my lab airdrop as well. Then we'll see like we'll probably like it's probably like a monad trench stream tomorrow. I'll rather do like a monad trench stream tomorrow because I know like for a fact tomorrow there's gonna be some alpha that would launch on monad. I don't know what the alpha is yet. Obviously I'm gonna try and find out what the alpha is tonight, but I'd rather do like a trench stream on monad tomorrow, knowing that something is gonna run 100% on monad tomorrow. And our job is to kind of find what the runner is gonna be. And we'll like open the airdrop, see what's all about. And yeah man, should be fun, should be fun, should be fun. I can't wait. And with that, like we come to the end of the stream. If you learned anything, like just share it to your friends, share it to like your families, share it to your relatives, share it to everyone really. Like we want everyone watching Easy Streams because Easy is gonna show you how to make it in this bull market. This cycle, not even this cycle, like this Q4, this cycle is too far, like this Q4, like we're making it, like you just have to like, just gotta tap in, you know? Tap the fuck in. And yeah man, it's been nice having the stream, chilling with you guys and sharing lots of information. Same time. Show love, yeah, show love next stream. If I have a good airdrop tomorrow, we'll do some giveaways and stuff. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and I'm gonna catch you tomorrow. Bye.